This is Eugene from Workspace Supply, and I'm really excited to share a video with you today. Our friend Quentin, who owns a Risograph studio called Vide Press, asked us to make a fun studio tour video for him that will loop on his homepage. So we took it a bit of a conceptual direction, but let us know what you think. We'll check back in with you after. So what did you think? I really enjoy making those kind of studio tour videos, and something I think we want to do more on the channel. Is this something you would be interested in? Do you like getting a peek inside of creative spaces? And if you know anyone who has a cool space, drop us a note in the comments so maybe we can reach out and make a video with them to take you inside their space. It's me checking out for now. I'm taking a hike early this morning in Ontario Place. I hope you have an awesome day. See you next time.